Hyperbola. A hyperbola has its center at the origin 0, 0, passes 4, 2, length of lateral rectum is 4, along x-axis find eccentricity E. All these are JE questions which I am explaining. All these are JE questions. Okay. Now let us listen this, how to solve. See here, according to here, passes through here, it's along lateral rectum. This is called TA, means what? Transversal axis. TA means what? Transversal axis. Transversal axis along x-axis means what is a hyperbola? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. If it is along y-axis, then x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus 1. Right. So this hyperbola is passing through the 4, 2. Is passing through which point? 4, 2. Right. And what is said here? Center is 0, 0. That's why here x minus 0 whole square, y minus 0 whole square. So x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay. Now here, if it is passing this, x value should substitute 4, y value should substitute 2. So substitute there, what you get here? 16 by a square minus 4 by b square is equal to 10. Right? So this is one equation. What is the given? Length of lattice rectum. Length of a transversal axis. What is length of transversal axis formula? Length of transversal axis is equal to how much? 2a is equal to 4. Length of transversal axis क्या है? 2a ना? 2a is equal to 4. So a value will be how much? A value will be 2. Right. If a value 2, if you substitute here, what I am going to get? 16 by a. Either? Yeah. Sorry, I wrote wrong. Okay, 1. Okay. So now here, in the place of a, what I substitute here? A is equal to 2. So 2 square will be how much? 4. Minus 4 by b square is equal to 1. From this 4 will be cancelled out. So you get how much here? Minus 4 by b square is equal to 1 minus 4. This 4 if I send this here, 1 minus 4. Correct? So minus 4 by b square will be equal to 1 minus 4, right? 1 minus 4 will be how much? Minus 3. Correct? So minus cancel. So minus cancel. So what you get here? B square. So here 3b square is equal to 4. B square is equal to 4 by 3. So b is equal to 2 by root 3. Correct? I did any mistake? See, b square equal to 4 by 3 you got. B square equal to 4 by 3. A square is equal to a is equal to 2, so a square will be 4. You require to find what? Eccentricity. Eccentricity is equal to, formula is what? Eccentricity is equal to under root of 1 plus b square by a square. So this is equal to under root of 1 plus b square is how much? 4 by 3 divided by a square is how much? A square is how much? 4. Right. So I get as under root of 1 plus 4 by 12. Correct? 4 by 4, 3 is a 12. So this is under root of 12 plus 4, 16 by 12. So that is 4 by root 12. Root 12 value how much? 2 root 3. 2 root 3. So 2 so cancel. So 2 by root 3 is the eccentricity. Okay. See here, this is an easy question. It's also JE question. These all are JE questions. What I am explaining in hyperbola, I am going to explain 22, 23 problems. All these will be JE questions. So length of conjugate axis. Conjugate axis means 2b. Length of conjugate axis is how much? 2b. So 2b is equal to 5 you have. 2b is equal to by, then b is equal to how much? 5 by 2. The length of f1 and f2, focus, distance of the focus. What is the f1 f2 distance? ये AE है, ये माइनस AE है. So distance will be how much? 2AE. 2AE. So 2AE is equal to distance between the focus. Distance between the focus will be 2AE. 2AE is equal to 13. Here, how much I can write here? AE is equal to 13 by 2. So A is equal to, I can write 13 by 2E. Right? Okay, otherwise E is equal to anything you can write. He is asking to find eccentricity. What is the eccentricity formula? Eccentricity is equal to under root of 1 plus B square by A square. So eccentricity is equal to under root of 1 plus B square value 5 by 2 whole square. 25 by 4. 25 by 4. Or A square. A square means what? 13 by 2E whole square. See, आपको है ना different. See, if you are getting difficulty, you do one thing. Squaring on both sides, E square value, right? Like directly you remember that E square is equal to, I gave this formula also, A square plus B square upon A square. If you are confusing with this, you remember like this. I gave already this. You can take A square LCM, A square plus B square upon A square under root E square. So E square value is what? E square only. A square value is how much? 13 by 2E whole square. B square value is what? 5 by 2 whole square. And A square value is what here? 13 by 2E whole square. Just you simplify this, you are going to get the answer, eccentricity. Tell me what is eccentricity here. E square is equal to, I can write as 13 square, that is 169 upon 2 square, 4 E square plus here 5 square 25 divided by 2 square 4, here 13 square 169 divided by 2 square 4 E square. So 4 E square, take the LCM here. E square, 4 E square you can take LCM here. 4 E square you take the LCM here. 169 here. So you get here 169 plus 25 E. Correct? ये E square का value है ना? 4 E square. Okay, E square. 4 E square is the LCM. So you get as what here? 4 E square. E square will multiply here. 4 E square cancel out. So E square is equal to how much you got? 169 E square. 169 E square cross multiplication is equal to 169 plus 25 E square. Subtract, then you get the answer. Is 169 E square minus 25 E square is equal to 169. Subtract this and E square you will get 169 upon how much? 25. 169 you divide, subtract 25, you get 144. So you get as what? 144 E square is equal to 169. So E square is equal to 169 by 144. So E is equal to 13 by 12. Square root of 169 is 13. Square root of 144 is 12. So this is a JEE question. See, you need to understand here, in a hyperbola, length of conjugate axis is E. That is 2B is equal to 5. Sorry, length of conjugate axis is 5. And they given the focal distance is 13. That is focal distance is 2AE. Substituted here, and you need to find eccentricity. Eccentricity formula is this. Substitute in this, simplify this, you get the answer. What is they given? Hyperbola. You have a hyperbola. See here. You have the hyperbola. In that they given the vertices. This is they given 2, 0. This is they given minus 2, 0. So can you tell me if this is the center 0, 0, what is the length of A here? Do you know now? This is the hyperbola I explained yesterday also. Double time I explained. What is this length? Array, this length is 4. What is the name of this length? Transversal axis, na? So transversal axis is 4. It means that is 2A is 4. If 2A is 4, A is how much? ये इधर से इधर तक distance क्या होता है? A होता है. इधर के इधर से distance क्या होता है? A होता है. Then A is equal to how much I am asking? A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 given. What is the hyperbola here? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. It means what you have to find here? B you have to find. Now tell me, in this focus, one of the focus is given. This is the focus is given minus 3 comma 0. Focus is given minus 3 comma 0. Can you tell me what is the distance from this point? Listen here. इस point से इस point का distance क्या है? What is the distance from here to here? Distance is 3. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ये इधर से इधर इसका ये point क्या है? Focus actually in general focus is what? Minus AE comma 0. Means AE value कितना है? AE is equal to 3. Right? AE is equal to 3. A value how much? 2. Substitute here. E is equal to how much? 3 by 2. E you got 3 by 2. So understood? This length is A. This length is AE. And AE is 3. Right? Now you got E is equal to 3 by 2. What you have to get if you want to get hyperbola? AB. So AB relationship is eccentricity. Eccentricity is equal to formula E square is equal to what? A square plus B square by A square. Conjugate का क्या होता है? B square plus A square by A square. नहीं. See here, eccentricity is equal to under root of 1 plus B square by A square when it is this one. Eccentricity is equal to under root of 1 plus A square by B square when it is conjugate. I explained now this thing. So here eccentricity value is how much? 3 by 2 whole square, that is 9 by 4. A square you have, A square is how much? 4. B square we don't know. A square is how much? 4. From this you can find B value. This is cancelled. B square is equal to 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. 5. So what is the ellipse here? X square by A square minus Y square by B square is equal to 1. So x square by A square is how much here? 4 minus Y square by B square is how much? 5 is equal to 1. Hyperbola questions are easy. सुना इधर. So if 5x plus 9 is equal to 0 is the directrix of a hyperbola, 16x square minus 9y square equal to 144. Find the corresponding focus. What is the meaning of this here? It's a hyperbola. You have a hyperbola. He's saying that if you divide by 144, you get this. 16x square by 144 minus 9y square by 144 is equal to 144 by 144 is 1. We are dividing by 144. So ये कितना टेबल में कैंसिल होगा? How many times it will cancel? What you are going to get? 16 8s 8 6 0, right? 16 9s 9 6 54 ना, 16 9s आ जाएगा. और ये कितने टाइम कैंसिल होगा? 16 टाइम्स. सी 9 1s are 9, तो बच्चा है कितना? 54 16 से. So what you got here? X square by 9 minus y square by 16 is equal to 1. It means that what you got here? X square by a square is equal to 9, b square is equal to 16 you got. Correct? See here a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4. Eccentricity is equal to under root of, you know that a square plus b square upon a square. That is under root of square root of 9 plus 16 by 9. That is 25 by 9. 5 by 3. Eccentricity is 5 by 3. Eccentricity 5 by 3 आया. So what you have to find here? This is the directrix. Here x is equal to what you got here? Minus 9 by 5. Actually x is equal to minus a by e. See, this is a very important point, crucial point. Listen here. This is the directricity. There will be two directristics. One is x is equal to plus a by e. One is x is equal to minus a by e. Here is x is equal to minus 9 by 5. Corresponding focus means this focus. You have to find this focus, not this focus. So both options will be there. By mistake you will write, though that will be mistake. So here this focus means what? Minus AE comma 0. Means this focus you have to find, not plus AE. You have to find minus AE. So the focus will be is how much here? Focus is equal to what do you write? Focus is equal to how much? Focus is equal to minus AE comma 0. So minus A value 3, E value 5 by 3 comma 0. So 3 cancel, answer is minus 5 comma 0 is the answer. So these all are JEE questions.